Hi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we are going to crochet this 2-in-1 flower that you can use as a flower, and you can also use it as a coaster. It's very beautiful and it's very easy to make. So you can use it as a coaster. It's so beautiful. So let's get into the tutorial. So for this tutorial I'm using anti-peeling acrylic yarn, and the hook size is size 3mm crochet hook. So you're going to start by working a magic ring. Chain 1. Next you're going to work 3 more chains, so you have a chain 4 chains, so 2, 3, 4. This counts as your first double crochet and a chain 1. Next work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet and chain 1. You're going to go ahead and work 12 double crochets separated by a chain 1. When you work 12 double crochets separated by a chain 1, you're going to pull your tail and tighten your ring. To end your round 1, chain 1, and you're going to work a slip stitch on your chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You work a slip stitch, chain 1, and you're going to cut your yarn. To begin your round 2, you're going to take your next color yarn and work a slip knot. And you're going to work in your chain 1 spaces. You work a single crochet, next chain 2, and this stitch count as your first double crochet. You work 1 double crochet in your chain 2 space and chain 1. In your next chain 1 space, work 2 double crochet. Chain 1, 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet. And you're going to repeat this pattern round. When you reach the end, you're going to chain 1 and work a slip stitch on top of your first stitch to end your round 1. To end your round 2, to end your round 2. To begin your round 3, work a slip stitch to your chain 1 space and chain 3. Next you're going to work 2 more chains. Next you're going to work 2 double crochet. You work 2 double crochet, chain 1, so you have 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Next in your chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet. Chain 1, in your chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets. And you repeat this pattern round. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 and work a slip stitch on top of your first. Chain 3 to end your round 3. Chain 1 and you're going to cut your yarn. To begin your round 4, you're going to take your next color and you work a slip knot. And you work in your chain 1 spaces, so you're going to work a single crochet. Next you're going to chain 5 This is your first single crochet count as your first chain. So you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you're going to work a single crochet on this your double crochet stitch. So you're going to work a single crochet on the second stitch. So you have 1, 2, 3 on this first second stitch. You work a single crochet stitch there. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You work a single crochet in your chain 1 space. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work a single crochet on your second stitch. In your second stitch, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You work a single crochet in your chain 1 space. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and work a single crochet in your second stitch. And you're going to repeat this pattern to the end. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to work a slip stitch in this your first stitch here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. To begin your round 5, work a slip stitch to this your chain space. Next, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet separated by a chain 1. Next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the same chain space work a slip stitch. Next, you're going to work a slip stitch in your next chain space and chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th, you work a single crochet. Next, in your next chain space, you work a slip stitch. In your next chain space, work a single crochet, and you're going to work this. So you work a single crochet and chain 3. When you chain 3, next you're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to work a slip stitch in that same stitch. In your next chain space, work a slip stitch, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 5 chains, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain, work a single crochet. In your next chain space, work a slip stitch. So you're going to follow this pattern round. So we are at the end, and we've worked our 4 double crochets separated by a chain 1. So in your next stitch, you're going to work a slip stitch and chain 8. And skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain, work a single crochet, and in your last chain space, work a slip stitch. And now you're going to work a slip stitch on top of your first chain 3 to end your work, and you should have 8 spaces altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next thing you're going to do is to take your next color or the color you want to work your flowers with. You can go with one color, you can mix them as I've done. That would depend on you. You're going to work a slip knot, and now you're going to be working in these spaces where you have your 4 double crochet separated by a chain 1, and you're going to come to this place after your chain 3. So you start from any of them. You're going to work a single crochet, chain 2. This stitch counts as your first double crochet. So in this same space you're going to work 4 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. You're going to pull your working yarn up and you're going to work a puff stitch, and you're going to take your working yarn, pull, and then so you work a puff stitch, and you're going to chain 1 and 5 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and 5 double crochet. So you're going to come to your first stitch and then pull your working yarn, chain 1, and you're going to repeat it in all the other spaces. 1, 2, 3. So you should have altogether 5 puff stitches. When you work a total of 5 puff stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to chain 1 at the end, and now in your first stitch you're going to work a slip stitch. Next you're going to work a slip stitch to this space between your stitches. You work a slip stitch there, and you're going to chain 2, which does not count as a stitch. Next, work a double crochet. You work a double crochet and chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to go in front of this your double crochet stitch. You have your 2 bumps here. You're going to go through and work a slip stitch. Next you're going to work another double crochet there and chain 3. So you're repeating the pattern. You go in front of this your 2 bumps on your double crochet stitch and you work a slip stitch, and you're going to go to the next space between your puff stitches and work a double crochet there, chain 3, and you're going to come to this your double crochet stitch on this your 2 bumps and work a slip stitch, and work another double crochet in the same space, chain 3, and go through your 2 bumps on your double crochet stitch and you work a slip stitch. When you get to the end, you're going to work a slip stitch, chain 1, and you're going to cut your yarn, and this is how your work is going to look like. So you're going to take your next color and you're going to repeat the same pattern for all of them. So when you keep repeating the pattern, this is how your work is going to turn out. So you're going to follow the same pattern and work 2, and here I have this container that I shaped and added to this my flower pot to keep it steady. And you take and you're going to add and adjust it however you want. And this is how your work is going to turn out. So beautiful and very, very easy to make. So this is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.